Hello, this is Tech Geek from Buffalo Geeks, and today I changed an alternator on my own car, and I would like to help people how to do it. This is Nissan Altima 2003, and to start, first we have to take off this wire, number 10 screws, and charging wire number 14. There are two number 2. The one goes right here. This place, I haven't put that back on. Number 10, number 14, and then we pry off this wire. Then all the wire harness will be off. Now there are two big screws which actually holds it. The one is right here, it's the first one, and the bottom one is right here. Now this screw is very hard to take off. To do this, we have to actually first of all take this mount out, which is right here. It goes here, so we have to take this out, and then which is holding that down by one screw. Then we have to take this off, which have another screw here. Once this whole thing is out, then we're gonna use these two screws to take this whole metal piece out. Once this metal piece is out, then this screw, this screw is like this long, is going to come out. Otherwise it's going to get stopped by here and not going to come out. So we have to remove this metal piece to take this screw out. So then you just pry it out, put a new one. There's the old alternator, and we are done. Car is starting and it's charging. I hope if you like the video, press like and subscribe.